Okay, so in this video, we're going to continue with vectors. Last time, showed you all what a vector is, how to interpret a vector, its relationship with the Cartesian coordinate system, that the XY coordinate system, addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication. Now, one thing I did not get to talk about is, remember, we see a vector is something with size and direction, or the next description that they give a movement from one point to the another, and that definition includes size and direction. So let's see, have a vector. This is a position vector using here to illustrate what I'm going to talk about. So O to the point E. So we have the position vector O, E. Now, a question that is of significance is, what is the length or the size of the vector? And let me squint your eyes a little bit here. So dot 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 dot, that's supposed to be straight. Dot 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 dot. Some magic happens here. So the line OE and this dotted lines, which is the direction in the y-axis, and this dotted line, which is the direction in the x-axis, could be described by a right angle triangle. And by the Pythagorean theorem, we could see that the length OE squared is equals to, well, here's x, here's y, x squared plus y squared. Now let's generalize this vector. Let's call here R. The convention in math for the size of a vector is R. Like, the reason why I think about it, why they name it R, is like when you think of a position vector, and if you look at where I'm pointing here, it radiates outwards. So I don't know. At least that's where I think it comes from. So we could say R squared is equals to x squared plus y squared, and R is equals to the square root of x squared plus y squared. And the length of a vector is, this is the symbol. So you would hear the word length, size, some mathematical terms here now, magnitude. Well, this is English, so physics, magnitude, some mathematical terms here, the norm. It means the same thing, and the symbol is this. So this is the symbol, this is the formula. Well, the symbol in the formula, so the length of a vector. So our next thing would be of interest to us, that would be of interest to us, is, well, the angle. Like, what angle, the vector makes with the x-axis. Remember, angles in mathematics in the Cartesian plane is measured counterclockwise. relative to the positive x-axis. So I'll say it again, angles in mathematics are measured relative counterclockwise to the positive x-axis. Well, to the x-axis, generalizing it to the x-axis. So let's call here theta. So if we want to find theta, well, if here's theta, here come like a adjacent, and here's an opposite. So theta is a tan theta is equals to over opposite all over adjacent y all over x, and theta is equals to the tan inverse of y on x. So this gives you the angle of a vector, or the orientation a vector is. Yeah. So in the next video, we're going to look at operations on vectors, but it's strictly for ADDMATHS and pure math students. So see you guys in that video. If you like the content, please hit like and subscribe. I do usually do this, but you know, you had to plug your stuff.